Good morning friends. Welcome back to yet another session of weekly review on equity markets. The equity markets extended the gains and closed near the record high at 7751 with an intraday high of 7758. Markets are rallying on the investors' positive sentiments as Union Budget 2014 is expected to be a big trigger for the Indian indices, which is scheduled to announce on 10th of July. Market participants locally and globally are having a close eye on Team Modi's maiden budget. However, the major challenge for the Team Modi in Budget 2014 would be to tackle the inflation, fiscal deficit, subsidies, higher IT exemption, corporate tax, along with jobs and PSU banks recapitalization. The major reason for Congress lost the game was to complete failure on inflation control. The new government already made clear its intention to tame the rising prices, but difficult to understand mix of supply side and demand side issues. Lag in policy effects and uncontrollable factors such as monsoons, bean fighting and winning the war on inflation are two different things. People are also expecting that Finance Minister Arun Jaitley may offer the higher tax exemption either by increasing tax slabs or scope of LTC exemptions or both. PSU banks are facing NPA crisis and needs 40,000 crore to 50,000 crore rupees to be infused by the new government for year 2015. While interim budget has marked only rupees 11,200 crore towards PSU bank recapitalization, and any less amount may cause to miss the growth targets of the sector, which may result the damage in Indian economy. Now moving to stock pick for the week, we can bet on certain stocks. Our first pick would be United Bank of India, which is recommended to buy around 61.50 to 62, and it should be hold for the targets of 70 to 75 with SL of 54. Technically, stock is trading with RSI of 76, and MACD is also indicating the positive divergence. And our second pick for the week would be KPIT Technologies. It can be buy around 182, and it should be hold for the targets of 192 to 205 with SL of 170. Stock has shown a good rally on previous trading session and expected to maintain the momentum, as RSI is showing strong strength in the stock. Now moving on the futures stock, we can bet on Hindustan Petroleum Future. It can be buy around 428 to 429, and it should be hold for the targets of 450 to 460 with SL of 415. Now coming up to our final pick of the week, we can bet on Shriram Transport Finance Future. It can be buy around now 960 to 961, and it should be hold for the targets of 980 to 1010 with SL of 940. This was all from our side. We wish you all a happy trading session. Thanks.